Gonna light it up. No need to wait for it to warm up. Apply the pot. This stove does have a tendency to spray alcohol if the cooking pot is too large. See if we can get an underneath view. Nice clean burn, a tiny bit of orange. I have 16 ounces of water in my pot. It's currently takes about 6 minutes to boil. 16 ounces of water, so 3 minutes a cup. I have about a ½ ounce of fuel, so I'm expecting a burn time of about 5 or 6 minutes, so probably just enough to bring it up to boil. Unlike the jet stoves, this doesn't need to be heated up in order for the side jets to kick in. This is also known as a groove stove. Very quick and easy to make. A little more dangerous than the side burning jet stove though, with the caldera method. Now instead of using the 23.5 ounce can, this is actually a 15 ounce can. So in comparison, this is the 23 ounce can. It's a little smaller, which I was actually hoping for, considering the size of my pot. We're almost at 3 minutes of video. Once we hit the 3 minute mark, I'll open up and we'll check the top of the pot. So nothing going on yet. It is warming up though. I made the stove a little taller this time. The opening is 2 inches, and I went about 2 1/4, almost 2 1/2 on the height, to see if that would give me, how that would improve my burn, and also allow for better control of handling the colder temp, because the shorter stoves like this one, this one's under 2 inches, it's about 1.5 inches. It does not handle the cold water very well when the pot sets on it. It can actually kill the fumes from the jets. So height is definitely a factor. Like I said, I'm using about a ½ ounce of fuel, so I expect roughly 6 minutes of burn time, give or take, until the jets actually go out. We're almost at 5 minutes of video. So at 5 I'll take the top off and we'll check our water. Alright. It's steaming, but we're not boiling yet. Making that familiar sound though. I did 16 grooves in the can. You can see I got one jet not quite kicking in all the way. It needs to be grooved a little better. Alright, we're at 6 minutes. And we are boiling. That's a good roaring boil. That's 6 minutes. Now it's about 68 degrees in here right now, and I'm pretty much at sea level, so if you want to take that into account. This is 2 cups of water. There's my bad jet. Let's go and rotate it right here. Starting to die down. As I expected, I'm out of fuel now. One thing that's impressive about this stove is now that it's dying, it'll actually burn a really long time if I take the cover off. And you could actually use that to simmer or something else if you actually wanted to pack a pot stand, which, being a minimalist, I'm not a huge fan of. So look at that. A few jets going. Just pretty much died down. Now I didn't take a whole lot of time in making this stove. This was pretty quick. I just used the back of the scissors to actually put the grooves in the aluminum can. Had I used a metal ruler or something better, this definitely would have came out a lot better, but I just wanted to test the overall